started, we had maybe small issues, but they were sorted within few minutes, and we managed to sort everybody. Nobody went home complaining that they did not receive medication or the doors were closed, because I think this was the last department that was closed, because everybody passes here before going home, and we made sure that you get the medication that the doctor has given you. You get good encouragement and also counseling, because their medication you can't take without being counseled. And also what I've noticed is most of our patients, they really appreciate when you give them everything they want.
Today is day 3 of the 3 weeks medical camp scheduled to take place in Kayole, Kariobangi and Kibera. And on the third day of this camp, we've experienced at least 2,000 plus people with different ailments. We have the medications, we have different specialists here to attend to people. And one of the few cases that keeps reoccurring here is issues of gastritis, issues of ulcers, diabetes, high blood pressure, and we also have a lot of patients here with not properly managed injuries, septic wounds, pathological fractures, malunion of fractures. So these things occur mostly because of maybe low finances, or maybe not being able to access facilities that much. So we encourage people living in these regions to please come out in numbers to come and experience the good work God is doing with the rest of us for the community.
What I can say, like, this year, like, the experience that I've got compared to the other, this one it's a little bit more. Like, when the medical camp started on Sunday, the number starts to increase till now. Okay, like, what I can say, like, today we were shocked. Like, in the morning, the patients came from around 5. So by the time we arrived in the venue, we found like more than 100 patients in the waiting area. So I'm from the security department. I was stationed at the waiting area, whereby I can say it's a lot of experience I've gained, like interacting with patients, like working with them.
Nimefurahi sana kwa hii kazi mzuri inafanywa hapa na Ucesco. In collaboration with many other organizations pamoja na voluntary missionaries ambao wamejitokeza kuja kutibu ugonjwa zote ambazo unaweza fikiria. Personally naambia watu hapa kuna level 6 hospital, because kitu yote unataka, whether unataka kutibiwa mapua, throat, macho, meno, kifua, chochote unataka, iko wapi? Iko hapa, na yote ni bure. Na si hayo peke yake, ukishaonekana shida yako ni gani, unatumwa pia kwa pharmacy na dawa ni bure. Pia chochote ambacho utaweza kupatikana kuna shida nayo, na hapa suluhisho iko hapa. Pale nje kuna mahospitali kubwa kubwa, the people are willing na wanapeleka watu hadi kwa hospitali na wanalipa bills. What a great mission ambao wanafanya hapa hivi.